Exercise 13.3, question 5, page 346. Right. This is the function of the graph. What does the function mean again? What can I use the function to do? Yeah, I can use it to find the y values. So if I put in, for example, if I put in 0, what pops out? If I put in 0 into the function, what pops out? 1. Right. Okay. So what's another name for this when I differentiate? Yeah. Well, another name for fx is y. All right. But this formula that I'm going to derive now is called, I call it the slope formula. Right. So we're going to differentiate x to the 3. So multiply, bring the 3 down, 3x, and reduce it by 1 squared. Next one, 2 times 5 is 10x. Reduce that by 1, and there's 1 up there. 1 times 5 is 5x, and that gets reduced to 0. X to the power 0 is the same as 1. 5 times 1 is 5. And remember, when you differentiate a constant, what happens? So it's x. So it's 1 times 1 basically. But 1 is equal to x to 0 is equal to 1. It's the same as 1 times x to 0. 0 times 1 is nothing. So nothing times anything else is nothing. So that's nothing. Right. So that's the formula. That's our slope formula. Alright, so that was part 1. And then hence find the slope of the tangent. How do I find the slope of that tangent there? There's part 2. What point do I put in there? 0. I put in the x value at that point. So I put it 0 squared plus 10 times 0 plus 5. Right, so that's 0 plus 0 plus, the answer is, the slope of that line is 5, so over 1 up 5. Find the coordinates of the point where the tangent intersects the x and the y axis. Well, first of all, part 3, we have to find the equation of that line. So we have the point and we have slope. Yeah, so the equation of the line, y minus y1 is equal to m. Alright, so we have the point 0, 1, and we have the slope 5. So mark the point x1, y1. Y minus 1 is equal to 5 times x minus x1, 0. Y minus 1 is equal to 5 times x, 5x, 5 times 0 is nothing. I can move the y across to keep 5x positive. So if I move the y across, it becomes minus y. So I can rewrite it, 5x minus y is equal to minus 1. Right, so that's the equation of that line. All right. Okay. How do you find out where a line will intersect the x and y axis? We already know where it intersects the y axis.
Make x to
0.
Yeah,
to find out where it intersects the x axis, put y equal to 0. Find out where it intersects the y axis, put x equal to 0.